This video is to show how to work backwards for right side rows when using the knitted on bind off so that you don't have to keep turning your work. Because of the difference between row and stitch gauge in stockinette, every fourth wrong side row uses a purl 3 together instead of a purl 2 together to join. I'm using a locking marker to keep track. I've already worked one repeat. These are the 2 edge stitches, and these are the next 5 body stitches. I'll be joining them together with the purl 2 together, purl 2 together, purl 2 together, purl 3 together. So starting with row 1, you'll purl 1, purl 2 together across the gap with a body stitch and an edge stitch, and then instead of turning to work the right side row, slip the first stitch back to the left needle, then reach around to insert the needle from right to left and work the second stitch. Then I'm going to work row 3, purl 1, purl 2 together, work row 4, slip back, reach around, and work that stitch. Row 5, purl 1, purl 2 together, row 6, slip back, reach around, work this stitch. Now I have 2 body stitches left. This is row 7. I'm going to purl 1, purl 3 together, then I'm going to drop the stitch marker off, work the right side row, and then I'll place the marker after the next 5 body stitches. And this is what it looks like from the right side.